We are finally set to resume our Clear for Takeoff 101 classes in the Los Angeles area. It's going to be up in Valencia, which is north of the Burbank Airport, about 20 minutes. And there's a link up there. You can register right now, and we are really excited about doing this. It's one of the most fun things we do. It provides you with a lot of really good opportunities to immerse yourself in a setting that will help you, one, get comfortable with the setting and some of your issues, and two, you won't have to worry about it because we'll never get it out of that hangar. We'll never get it off the ground. So I've been doing this 37 years, and this class is really, truly special. To have this opportunity, I wish we had it everywhere, but to have this opportunity over in the LA area is incredible. And now if you're going to be in LA at that time and you want to do this, you'll have that same opportunity. And we'll create a plan that works for you.